What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about removing those default Microsoft Store packages using a group policy. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about creating a group policy to remove those Microsoft default store packages, right? Before we even go into the group policy management and then right-click, create a policy and do our thing, we need to upgrade our administrative templates. Yes, because it only works for Windows 11 25 H2. Why, Microsoft? Why? So we're going to head over to this website right here, and you're going to locate that big button that says download. Again, we need to update our administrative templates for Windows 11 2025. This only works for that version. That sucks. So click on download. It's going to download the MSI. I'm going to open up the downloads folder because that is where it dropped it into. There goes the MSI. We're going to right click on it. We're going to click on install. We're going to click on run. And it's going to load up the wizard. Super simple. Let's click on next. We're going to check off I accept the terms in the license agreement and click next here. Now, pay attention to the location. You are able to change it if you want. I left it as the default, but we're going to definitely pay attention to it because we're going to go to that path soon. So click next here. Click on install. It's going to start copying the files, and eventually you're going to get this. Done. Completed. Now, like I said before, pay attention to the location. If you changed it, great. You already know where to go. Now, for me, I had to go here. Bam. So I scrolled down and I selected all of the files with the ADMX extension. I selected all of them. I right-clicked on it. I selected copy. Now, the reason why I selected everything and I copied is because my policy definition is actually located within its central location, within the system volume folder. So I'm going to right-click on the start menu. I'm going to click on run, and I'm going to type in // and the name of my domain. Now, don't laugh. I know not the best name for my domain controller, I understand, but this domain controller has been with me ever since I started this channel with you guys, and I kept it, right? So we're going to click OK, and we're going to select our system volume share, which is that right here. We're going to double click on it. You're going to find your domain, which my domain is this. I'm going to double click on the shortcut. It's going to take me here. We're going to locate policies, and we're going to double click on that folder. And for me, I'm going to scroll all the way down and locate the policy definitions folder, which is right there. Excellent. We're going to double click on that. And I am going to basically do a Control V on my keyboard to paste. And eventually you're going to get this. Replace the files in the destination. So click on that. And it's going to start, replacing everything. Now, before you do anything and you replace stuff, make sure you back up your policy definitions folder. Right-click on the folder and send it to a, WinZip or 7-zip or whatever. Just compress it and save that file. In case something happens, you're able to override whatever you're replacing with the old content. Okay. So we're going to head back into that location where, the installation dropped those files into, which is here. And you're going to select your language. For me, it is ENUS. And I'm going to right click on that folder and I'm going to copy it. Excellent. Copied it. I went back over to my system volume folder and I basically did a Control V on the keyboard. And it is going to start copying. Eventually, it is going to give me this. Replace it. Yes, replace the files in the destination. So that's what I clicked on. So I clicked on that. And it's going to start copying and replacing everything, which is great. And done. Awesome. Now it is time for us to create our group policy. So on the desktop, we're going to click on the Start button. We're going to scroll down until we locate the Windows Administrative Tools folder. So click on that folder, scroll down again, and we're going to locate and click on Group Policy Management. So click on that. It's going to load up. Now, if you know me by now, I like to start within the group policy objects folder. I'm going to right click on that folder and I'm going to click on new. Now, I gave it the following name, pretty self-explanatory, and we are tackling the computer section. So click on OK. Locate and select your new GPO. We are going to right click on it and we're going to select and click on edit. Now, again, we're tackling computer configuration. We're going to go into policies. We're going to go into administrative templates. And within here, we're going to go into Windows components. Now, we're going to locate and click on app package deployment. Excellent. Now, on your right-hand side, the policy that we are going to be configuring would be this one, this guy right here. Remove default Microsoft Store packages from the system. We're going to double click on it and we're going to enable it. And that's the list. Check off everything that you don't want. I checked off a lot of them. I'm going to click apply. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to close it. And then it is time for us to apply our group policy. So I selected the Windows folder. I'm going to right click on that organizational unit. And I'm going to click on link an existing GPO. We're going to select our new GPO. And we're going to click OK. And that's it. Now, like I said before, and I'm going to say it again, this policy only works for Windows 11 25H2. Microsoft, you suck. This should have worked for other versions. This is great. Rather than us killing ourselves creating like PowerShell scripts and doing this and this with our SCCM or MDT and deployments to remove those crazy apps, this right here solves all that problem. You should make this group policy work with the other versions. That's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.